Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a pre-pass battery. First, gather your tools, a small Phillips head screwdriver and a fresh CR2450 battery. Make sure your transponder is clean and dry. Find a well-lit, flat surface to work on. This ensures you have everything ready and prevents any small parts from getting lost during the process. It's a simple task once you have the right items. Now let's open the transponder. On the back, you'll find a few small Phillips head screws. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove them. Once all screws are out, gently pry apart the two halves of the casing. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the plastic. The internal components will be visible, allowing access to the battery compartment. With the transponder open, you'll see the old battery. Pay attention to its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently remove the old CR2450 battery. Now, take your new CR2450 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper power flow to the device. Finally, it's time to reassemble your pre-pass transponder. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure they fit together snugly. Replace all the small Phillips head screws and tighten them gently but firmly. Do not over-tighten. Once reassembled, check for any indicator lights or signs that the transponder is powered on and ready for use. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.